Well, it was raining earlier, but it is sunny now, so all right. Hello and good morning and welcome back. And if you are new, welcome. Also, welcome to my dorm room. It's actually not as messy as it was yesterday, but it definitely could be improvement. College life. Anyway, today is Saturday and it was supposed to rain today. And I don't really know what happened to that. I'm a little bummed. I love the rain. So I was gonna make this like a rainy day kind of thing, and maybe I'll still call it that because it might rain again. I don't know. But basically, it's the weekend and I have plans to hang out with a friend today. So I just thought, oh, why not bring you guys along and see what happens. It is currently, I think, 10 in the morning. I think we're gonna go to a coffee shop, which I'm really excited for. And so I'm currently still in my pajamas. I know it's quite the look if you ask me. I'm literally sitting on my floor because the lighting is good right here. I think I will get ready now and actually look presentable for my day. So let's go do that. First things first, hydration. I try to drink like 4 of these a day. You know, self-care. My hair looks so bad. I always get these like flyaways up here and I just don't know what to do about them. I washed my face and brushed my teeth already, so I promise I'm not like a disgusting human. All right, so now I put on this brightening serum. Moisturizer. Done. Let me put on deodorant before you forget. I tend to, like, once I leave this whole desk area, I just absolutely forget about it. And then halfway through my day, I'm like, should have remembered. My lips feel a little chapped, so I'm gonna put on some chapstick. And because I'm actually going out today, I think I'm gonna put some makeup on. I don't know the last time I wore makeup, and I'm just kind of feeling it, so let's do that. I'm not good at makeup. I think I know the bare minimum to like look presentable. Other than that, like I very little talent. I pretty much just wear mascara and then fill in my brows and then blush, and that's kind of it. So it's pretty simple, but I feel more put together when I have it on, so let's get started. I know a lot of people are like scared of doing this, and I don't blame them. It can be a little sketch, like my eyelashes could totally just come off right now. I'm also a little scared to talk loud because I don't know if the people in my hall can hear me and I don't want to be annoying. Hey guys, if you can hear me, subscribe. I also have a giant eye booger. That's cute. Morning after tings. I did nothing fun last night. I literally sat in my dorm room and did homework on a Friday night, so love the college life. The faces I make when I do mascara, I'm like real cute. And eyebrows are like a big thing that girls care about, but not me. I don't know. It's so much work to make them like actually look good, so it's like round 2 of mascara on my eyelid. That's real cute. So I just kind of like add. It's very pigmented, like a little bit goes a long way. Like that, way too much. Way too much. I know I added too much on this side. I don't want to look like a clown. It's fine. I'm leaving it. It's fine. Can I go out in public like this? Yes, I'm saying yes. Hard questions of the day. What to wear? To be like this? Is this a vibe? With like some gray pants? I mean, let's try it out and see. Also, I have to close my blinds every time I change because there's like literally rooms, like those windows, those are rooms. And I just don't think they need to see me not clothed, so it's a bit of a struggle, but you know, modest is hottest. All right, I'm well dressed. I don't know if I like this tucked in, but I don't know if I like it tucked out more. I mean, even any better. I don't know, like I kind of like it tucked in. Add some spice. I don't know what I want to do with my hair today. My hair is kind of wavy / curly, so it does not mix well with like rainy weather. Voila. Oh, I think it's voila. I took French for 4 years, so if you couldn't tell. Now for some gloss. This is the finished look for today. It's a little windy. It is so windy. Wow. Okay, let's go. All right. Such a good angle too. I got my vanilla latte. I wanted oat milk. They didn't have oat milk, so I said coconut milk. I don't know why I did that. I don't think I've ever had coconut milk. So here we are. I'm with our friend Noelle. Hi. I'm gonna do some homework, hopefully. It's kind of chilly though, and windy. We'll see how that goes. The homework vibes. All the vibes. It's kind of really chilly. I also really have to pee. I do too. Yes. Love it. I peed. It's very warm in here. I don't want to go back outside. Also, yeah, still using the phone. Forgot. My camera's at home, so go me. I gave up on homework and it's so windy. This is not it. A rainy day is not very rainy. Yeah, it's just windy. We went to Panera. So we're at Panera. We drove all the way to Coronado to go, which is a little silly, but the ones downtown, parking is such a mess downtown. Like there's never any parking, so I was like, let's go to the suburbs. Very excited for my grilled cheese. Are you kidding? Look at her. We love carbs. That's all I have to say. Bro. I mean, okay. I'm in a bookstore. I'm so excited. It's so cute. Just goes on for days. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. It's so cute in here. Like, there she goes. Bye, love. All right, so I'm just gonna, I think, head back to my dorm because one, really have to pee, and two, I'm cold and I'm tired. Also, do you see how gloomy it is? Like, it's been off and on all day, but just really windy and not really rainy, so that's a bummer, but So I guess I'll see you guys back in my dorm. All right, well, I'm back in my dorm room. We've had an issue. I was irresponsible and I got a dent in my car because I don't know. So that kind of put a damper on the day, and I'm a little upset at myself. I already told my parents though, so hopefully they won't be too mad. It's just, you know, those like kind of moments like happen so fast that like you would give so much and just like go back 2 seconds before it happened and be like, okay, like slow down. I'm so mad at myself. Like I just feel really irresponsible, and like I try to be a good driver, obviously, like I don't drive recklessly, but I just like don't want my parents being super disappointed. I guess you live and you learn, and hopefully it won't be too expensive. But anyways, I'm trying not to let that like ruin my day, because it has been like a pretty good day overall. So I think now I'm just gonna chill. I'm gonna talk with my brother in a bit because he's helping me with a project I have. So I think I'm just gonna hang out until then and try not overthink what I did. I'm so mad at myself. I don't know. Trying to stay positive here. So it's been a bit. I talked to my mom. I'm feeling a little better about it. She appreciated my honesty and how quickly I told her. My dad's like on a vacation with his friends right now, and he comes home tomorrow, so I'm gonna call him then because I didn't want to like, I don't know, ruin his last night. My mom was like, yeah, it's a good idea. So I think it'll be okay. I'm doing some homework. Honestly, the vibes are kind of good. I do just be tired, so I'm trying to like crank it out so I can just relax. And I'm also really cold. It's really cold in my room. And it got so dark so quickly. Like I turned around and I shut my windows, but the angle, hey. I don't know. Yeah, that's kind of it. I just wanted to update you all. All right, it is, I have no idea what time it is. Hold on. It's about 5:30, and I don't know about you guys, but this time change has had me very messed up. I get tired so easily now. Like I see it's dark outside and I'm like, oh, must be bedtime. I'm really cold, and I'm supposed to talk with my brother in like 30 minutes, so I think I'm gonna shower. It just sounds nice, like get cozy and just warm, hopefully. So yeah. We love the communal bathroom life. That felt very nice, and I'm actually a lot warmer now than I was before, so. Ew. Such a fun time. I love this stuff. All right, I just thought I would give you guys one more little update because it's like 7:30 and I think my day is just pretty much over now. Also, hold on, I'm wearing my winter pajamas. We love it. They're so cute. Okay. Anywho. Yeah, so pretty much I feel like my day's over. I just finished talking with my brother and he helped me with my project a lot, so much appreciated. And I had CPK for dinner. It was so good. I just had leftovers. It was just bomb.com. I'm just kind of cranking out some homework right now. I don't know if you can hear, but I've been really into listening to like instrumental Christmas music to do homework and study, just because it's like still holiday vibes, but I'm not distracted by lyrics and stuff. So if you can hear music in the background, that's what that is. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today. So, I mean, this was not very much of a rainy day, definitely more of just a cold and windy day, but thanks for making it this far and for watching, and hope you enjoyed. Thanks to Noelle for getting some of those fancy little clips for me. You're the sweetest. I think that's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day and a great rest of your week. And don't forget that you are beautiful and you are loved, And please drink water, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!